In this video, we'll be solving a question on mean square error. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. We are asked to show that the mean square error for y is equal to the variance of y. So for me to show this, you need to subscribe to this channel. Solution. We should note that the mean square error for y is also equal to the expected value of y minus y estimate all squared. And for linearity of expectations, or from quadratic equation, we note that a minus b all squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In the same vein, our mean square error for y will be equal to the expected value of y squared minus 2y y estimate plus y estimate squared. So we can also take the expectation. After this, we take the expectation. Taking the expectation, we come over to this side. Our mean square error for y will be equal to the expected value of y squared minus 2 expected value of y estimate plus the expected value of y all squared. So since y and y estimates are uncorrelated, since y and y estimates are uncorrelated, in this case, you have that the expected value for y estimate can be equal to, since they are uncorrelated, the expected value of y estimate can be equal to the expected value of y multiplied by the expected value of y estimate, which is the same thing as the expected value of y squared. So infusing this into this, we have that our mean square error of y can be written as the expected value of y squared minus 2 the expected value of y all squared plus the expected value of y estimate squared. So negative 2 expectation of this plus this will give us our mean square error of y will be equal to the expected value of y squared plus, we take just one, the expected value of y all squared. Okay, minus y all squared. Because minus 2 plus 1 is changing as minus 1. So we have that this is also equal to the variance of y. It then means that our mean square error for y is equal to the variance of y. So This is how we can simply compute, or how we can show that the mean square error for y is equal to the variance of y. So this is the procedure to follow when we are to show that the mean square error for y is equal to the variance of y. And for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.